Hey there, Benji here from Freedom Formula, and I'm making this video because I'm really excited to bring you this Amazon Australia info. We've been working on this for a long time, and it's finally got to the point where we can bring it out here on YouTube, and we have a few Amazon Australia vids coming through and how you can get started on this incredible opportunity of Amazon FBA Australia right now, because it's the golden window. It's like starting Amazon FBA in the USA back in 2011 or 2012, when there's basically no competition out there and Amazon is about to explode and grow in the Australian market. So I wanted to explain why this is such a good opportunity and how it can apply to you and how you can take advantage of it like we are right now. So Amazon in Australia was its biggest international launch in history. So bigger than any other country that it's launched to. They made the most money and got the most visitors in this Australia launch. So it's off to a really good start. It got 7 million visitors in December, and the population of Australia is only 25 million people. Amazon is such an overdue thing in Australia, and actually I wanted to show you this. If I go to Alexa site ranker, so top sites in Australia, I just want to show you how much the Australian public have been waiting to use something like Amazon. You can see we use eBay a lot, and it's really, if you've ever used eBay, it's not good, it's not trustworthy. There's a huge hole in the market right now for Amazon. But if you come down past Pornhub to number 24, what you will see is Amazon.com is number 24, the 24th most visited site in Australia. There's not the .au site. People in Australia literally go to Amazon.com and ship items from Amazon.com to Australia. That's how frequently used Amazon.com is, and that's how much of a big deal that Amazon.com.au is coming out, because there's going to be millions of Aussies jumping on and using it. And I want to show you right now, I want to cross over to, this is Amazon US, and I want to do this little example with you just to show you how big this opportunity really is. So I've typed in something like turmeric, which is a very, very popular supplement, and I can actually Jungle Scout this right now. If you don't have Jungle Scout, the link is in the description. But you can see, let me refresh this, you can see how huge this niche is. Something like this person right here, turmeric curcumin with bioperin, this person with the incredible photo, just an amazing listing, is doing $1.8 million a month, every single month, from turmeric. This person down here, and again, this is on the USA store, which has obviously been around for a long time now, and is still really cool to launch on, and I 100% recommend everyone launch on the US store as well. But the Australia store, I'll show you in a second, it's just such a huge opportunity. This one person here is doing 300,000 a month, 400,000, 170,000, just big fish, 200 G's a month, making a lot of money on something like turmeric. But why you wouldn't launch this in the USA, of course, is because look at these reviews. 2,000 reviews here, 12,000 reviews, 1,000 reviews, 700, 1,400, 2,000, 5,000. There's just such big fish in this market for you to have to outmarket these people who have obviously been there for a long time. We can actually go in here and see how long these people have been selling for. Where does Keeper come up? There it is, just loading in now. This is an app called Keeper. If you don't have it, Keepa, and it'll give you the life range, the total life of an item. You can see that they've been up for over 2 years. So they have a huge advantage over everybody being there for 2 years. And I'm sure there's other supplements and lots of products on Amazon who have solidified. They've done a land grab early on, and they've sat on it, and now they're making so much money from it. If we come over here, and we're in the Australian market, and I'm just going to go back to the homepage and type it in again, just so you believe me, and you can do it yourself too. Turmeric, powder, we don't need powder, just turmeric, just the big keyword of turmeric. If you have a look at these results, no reviews, no reviews, no reviews, no reviews, no reviews. We're finished turmeric. Like, there's not that many turmeric options, you know? I mean, there's a soap on page 1 of the word turmeric, where if you go over to the US, there's nothing but actual turmeric, which is what people are going to be looking for. Just supplements. It's such a wide open market, and of course, no one has been selling on the store for long at all, because you can see Amazon opened like 5 months ago now, and everyone's still is trying to get on there. No reviews at all. Keeper actually doesn't work on the Australia store. None of these plugins actually work on the Australia store now, but I'll show you some workarounds in the coming couple of days and inside this awesome course that we're about to show you. But it's such a huge market, and we can do another one, something that's really in high demand over here. Let's just type in a letter. Let's start with the letter F. Let's do this live together. A food scale. Let's have a look at a food scale. You can see 7,000 reviews, 7,000. It could be the same person. 3,000 reviews. Jungle Scout over here. You're going to get the same results. You're going to get really competitive people making hundreds of thousands of dollars a month. Let's go see what's on the Australia store right now. So it's just amazon.com.au is the difference. We got 4 reviews. We got 2 reviews and a 3.5 star rating. We got 2 reviews, 1 review, 1 review. It's incredible the difference, the contrast between stores right now in competition. It's such a critical moment for you to get on, and we're selling over 20 products on Amazon Australia right now. I want to show you exactly what we're doing and how we're doing that. One of them is our scratch map, which we did launch live here on our YouTube channel, and we've brought that in, and that's actually shipped into the Amazon warehouse. So you can see it's fulfilled by Amazon. Amazon are fulfilling their own products down here in Australia now. They've only had fulfilled by merchant, but they've opened the warehouse, so we're one of the first people to actually ship this in. You can see we have 3 reviews, which is far more than everyone else has got, and these are actually selling a couple of units a day, which is kind of awesome because it's such a niche product. Now, the demand is obviously not going to be anywhere near as strong as in the US because there's more people and more people are used to shopping. But what this is right now, this is getting in and securing your land. This is a land grab. This is like Manhattan land prices back in 1860, and you can secure a little plot of land in a niche, something that everyone needs. So rubbish bags. I know they're called trash bags in the USA, but rubbish bags is the terminology in Australia. And it's something that everyone needs. So I'll go back to this US store over here. It's something that really everybody needs. And I mean, a lot of people just come in, type in trash bags, and buy this. That's a sponsored ad. Buy this top one here. And you can tell that by all these reviews once again. And these are the most competitive markets in the US. Imagine if you get in now and you go, let's just see what they were making over here, by the way. So again, hundreds of thousands of dollars a month on these trash bags because it's such a necessary item. There's no one with any reviews for the word rubbish bag in the Australian market. Imagine if you can jump on now and grow your listing. You don't have to invest that much. You don't need a big budget. You can get a high quality rubbish bag listing selling and then a few reviews, and you work on over the next year. You have 300 reviews there, lots of happy customers. You've made a few $1,000s, and then as this demand grows and as everyone starts flocking to Amazon.com.au, which you know they will because Amazon.com is the 24th most visited site people shop on in Australia, which is incredible because you have to wait for the international shipping. There's going to be billions of dollars of products sold on Amazon.com.au, so you know it's coming. And in a year, if you have the #1 rubbish bag listing and people just type in rubbish bag, they're going to buy the top one, which is going to be yours, and you're going to solidify that real estate, that land grab that you've invested in now. It's going to be so valuable in 12 months' time, even 6 months' time.